tobacco, shame, caffeine, all burned in Roman's cracked emotional furnace. Showers could cool the heat, but not snuff the smoldering coals. Roman smoked tobacco to disguise the industrial discharge of his ever-burning shame, to justify the polluted steam rising from the core of his being. Coffee, like tobacco, played prop in Roman's feeble emulation of the great men who simultaneously inspired and terrified him. His distorted and fictional concept of them, locked in disheveled Parisian studios, pouring their inherent genius onto the invisible pages of human history, bound in the minds of men. These images poisoned Roman completely. His flawed epistemological efforts rendered him flush and foolish. Roman had taken to not loading his typewriter, cannily destroying any record of his unremarkable thoughts before they could be discovered. Disgust slid through his veins like venom. Coffee, pornography, tobacco. These were his only comforts. A great man's mind would not be next to shatter the world of the human being. Indeed, it became unlikely that great men would ever exist again. The most gifted and wild imaginations could not have predicted the next and final stage of human history. Upon this stage, man's regional arrogance would vaporize on exposure to Tuldus the Conqueror's atomic rays. With one gesture of obscene proportions, all of human history floated away on flaming updrafts. Thus Roman, freed of the constraints that crippled his creative life, and in fact freed of his creative life altogether, took up residence in detention camp C4. His torment, manufactured of inadequacy and inaction, burned away with the libraries. The small predictability of tyranny imposed itself on the world, and Roman sighed weightlessly. Every surviving human being now shared an identical lack of value. Beauty, intelligence, and self-worth had perished with every other human concept. The dire quality of the prisoner suited Roman well, his legacy no longer at stake, his contribution to the universe every bit as great as Shakespeare, or Kant, or Jesus.